In this video, I'll show you how to get Peacock on Xbox. Step 1 is to open the Microsoft Store on Xbox. Turn on your Xbox and navigate to the Microsoft Store. Make sure your console is connected to the internet. Step 2, search for the Peacock app. Use the search bar in the Microsoft Store. Type Peacock and select the app from the search results. Step 3, install and open the app. Click install to download the app to your Xbox. Once installed, open the app from your home screen. Step 4, sign in or create an account. Sign in with your Peacock account credentials. Enjoy streaming content on your Xbox console. Ensure your Xbox software is updated for compatibility. Streaming quality may vary depending on your internet connection. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.